Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be reviewing two pieces that I got from this company called Rosewe. I have the name on the screen. I hope y'all cannot hear the music in the background. I have my window open because it's hot and the fan makes too much noise. So yeah, they were nice enough to send me two pieces. I have not opened the package yet. I wanted to do an unboxing slash try on type video. So this is gonna be like my first impression. All right, so the package comes in the DHL style package. This actually came extremely fast. I'll have it down in the description box. I can't remember when I ordered this. Yeah, it got to me extremely fast. I don't have any long maxi dresses, so I was like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna get me some dresses. So I got two dresses, and I really hope they fit. I got these in a size small. So they come wrapped up like this. So I got a yellow dress, and then I got a dress that has green, pink, orange, brown in it. So yeah, that's how they come. Size small. Alright, so I'm gonna open this one up first. Okay, so this is how the pattern looks. And it comes with a little tissue paper inside. Okay, so the material does not feel cheap at all. It feels really nice and soft. I wish y'all could feel it. It feels so nice. Okay, so I know this is supposed to be off the shoulder, but I'm kind of confused on how I'm supposed to put it on. Okay, how do I put this on? Does it go like crisscross? I'm not sure. I'm about to be struggling. But yeah, this is how it looks. It's extremely long. And see, y'all can see the material is not cheap at all. Like, this is really pretty. This is how the inside looks. And I don't know if anybody cares about this, but this is how the stitching looks. It doesn't smell too bad. Okay, so I'm gonna go see how I put this on, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all. So yeah, I'll be back. Let's hope this fits and looks pretty and works out right. Alright, so this is how the material looks up close, how the design look. I feel like it's like a y'all know how they have the dashikis. I feel like it's similar to that, like with the patterns and the colors, the very vibrant and bold colors. This feels extremely soft on me. So I feel like I would wear this dress to like the beach or some type of festival. Okay, so this is how it looks. This is the left, so it comes all the way down. You can still see a little bit of your feet, but it comes all the way down. But yeah, this is how this dress looks. I like it. I think it's really pretty. So yeah, like I said, I would wear this to like maybe the beach, some type of music festival. In the summertime, I feel like this would be really cute. Yeah, I like this. The material is really nice. It's not too big, not too small. This stretches, so this is a really good stretch. I give this a 10 out of 10. I love it. Now I need to find me somewhere nice to go so I can wear this beautiful dress. Okay, so I feel like this dress would be cute with like maybe some chunky earrings, some chunky gold earrings, and I actually think it would look cute with a bun, my natural hair in a bun. I feel like that would be cute with some gold chunky earrings and maybe a gold chunky bracelet. And for shoes, honestly, I probably wear some brown flip-flops, some really cute brown flip-flops. And yeah, I really love this. It's really cute. I will have the name on the screen. I'll also have it in the description box with the link so that you can go purchase this bomb dress and be popping like me, because I will be wearing this summer. Okay, to be cute for the beach, a festival, a cute little day out with your boo, with your friends. Honestly, you can wear this anywhere. Like, this is an anywhere type of dress. Like, it's just so pretty. So now on to the next dress. So like I said, I got both of these dresses in a size small. So this next dress is the yellow. Okay, so this material is different from the other one, and it looks kind of big. I hope I can fit it. I'm scared now. I'm really scared. But yeah, so it's just this yellow color, melanin popping. Look at that. So yeah, this is how it looks. It's really long, and this has the strappy straps, spaghetti straps. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this on. I'm really scared because it looks kind of big, so I hope it fits. Because do I have a yellow dress? I don't think I have a yellow dress, so I would love to wear this out. So I'll be back. Alright, so this is how the dress looks. It's very low cut, which I think is kind of cute, but I feel like I need some nipple covers on, just in case, you know, they want to pop out. But yeah, it's a really low cut dress, and it also has pockets, which I think is super cute. It has pockets on both sides, which is really cute. And I actually do like the material, I really do. But I just expected it to be like the other dress. But the material is very soft. Yeah, if you purchase this dress and wear it out, make sure you have on the right type of underwear, because it is a little see-through. But it is extremely long. Like, y'all can't even see because it's so long. It's making me feel like I'm short. I'm not that short. So yeah, y'all can see it's really long. Color is popping. I don't want to move too much because I feel like my boob gonna pop out. But yeah, that's the only thing that I would say. Just make sure you get some nipple covers, and make sure you have on the right underwear so they won't show. Okay, so I think I would rate this dress a 9 out of 10, just because you can, like, it's see-through, and then I'm just a little scared, like, I don't want my boobs to pop out. But this dress is pretty, it's soft, it's bomb. Y'all know, I always keep it real. But yeah, I really like this. With this dress, I wear my hair like this. Like, look at the brown matches so perfectly with this yellow. And I feel like, honestly, I'd wear some brown flip-flops, or either like some brown strappy sandals, and have me a nice little brown crossbody bag. And for earrings, you can honestly wear some little studs and a cute little necklace and some cute little dangly bracelets. I think that'd be cute. I will definitely be going somewhere this summer and rocking these dresses, okay? We go to the beach, go out to eat, whatever, okay? Somebody gonna see me in these dresses. Overall, I would say that I love both of the dresses. The shipping was fast. Yeah, if you've ever ordered from this company, comment down below and like tell me your experience. And also, please leave some comments and tell me which dress you like the most. Number 1 or number 2. I would say my favorite was the yellow one, honestly. I like the low cut, okay? I really like the low cut, and I just like how the color maybe pop. But both dresses are bomb. The quality for both of them is really great. It's worth the price. And I also want to thank Rosewe for being nice enough to send me over these 2 pieces. Thank you for this great opportunity. I truly appreciate it, and I love the clothing. I will have the links down below, the website down below, the direct links to the clothing down below, my size down below. I have everything in the description box, so make sure you check that out so that you can get these looks because they're really cute. And who don't want to be popping this summer? Who? I know I do, and I know some of y'all do. So go get those dresses. They're really cute. I don't know what else to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and go check out my other videos. I have a couple other clothing hauls on my channel. Go check those out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Love y'all. Bye.